Hi, welcome to Study English. My name is Dinesh. I have been teaching English for the last 15 years. Today I am going to teach you some important things which are very important from all examination point of view, and I want you to watch this video very carefully and understand what I am trying to teach you. This video is not only useful or fruitful to students, it is also useful for those students who are going to take their competitive exams. The topic is Test Your English Basic, fill in the blanks. I have given you some sentences based on some fill in the blanks. You will find 4 options of each question and you have to choose the right option. The first question is, he is very good dash English. You have 4 options: in, at, on, to. You can take your time and I want you to choose the right option here. He is very good at English. I have seen many students writing in here because they think in Hindi first. उनको लगता है कि मैं अंग्रेजी में अच्छा हूँ, वो मैं के हिसाब से सोचते हैं, तो मैं की इंग्लिश में वो इल लगा देते हैं. लेकिन वी नीड टू फॉलो द लैंग्वेज. गुड इज फॉलोड बाय एट. एडजेक्टिव गुड इज फॉलोड बाय एट. वेदर यू आर गुड एट इंग्लिश और ब्रिलियंट एट इंग्लिश और bad at English. Good at music, you can say good at mathematics, good at physics, good at biology, good at anything. So make sure you need to write good at something but not good in something. Number 2. Mr. Mohan is a lecturer dash English. You have 4 options here: to, in, of and for. If you try to translate the sentence into Hindi, you will be using of. Make sure lecturer in subject. We need to write the right option is lecturer in English, but not of English. You can say teacher of English. You can say professor of English, but you need to say lecturer in English, but not of English. Number 3, she is dash young to drive a car. You have got 4 options: very, to, enough, so. Choose the right option here. The right option will be to. When you need to say something which is unpleasant and which is negative in meaning. For example, if you say she is too young to drive a car, it means she is so young that she can't drive a car. The meaning of this sentence must be negative. That's why to is used to express negative meaning, and to means excess, more than required. So you can't use very here, and most of the students write here very young to drive a car. And when you have a negative meaning, you need to use to, and to is followed by infinitive to. Adverb to, to is followed by infinitive to. Right? Number 4. When did you dash your mobile? Lose your mobile. 2nd, lose your mobile. 3rd, lost your mobile. Or 4th one is lose your mobile. This is very important question. Lose, when you lose something, you don't have it anymore. And second, lose is an adjective. Your pants are loose. Your belt is loose. Something which is not tight. But here you are losing something. It means you need to use lose. L-O-S-E, lose. The second form of lose is lost, and third is lost. Lose, lost, lost. And the second word, option lose, is an adjective. And third is lost. We can't use lost because the sentence is talking about the past tense. And fourth option is meaningless because lose is no word in the English language. Number 5. One of my friends dash preparing for UPSC exams. You have got 4 options: is, am, are, and were. Make sure one of my friends means I have a lot of friends. I am talking about one of them. The subject of the sentence is one, but not friends. And one is singular, then verb must be singular. So most of the students think that the friends is subject here and they use are here, but that is not right because the subject of the sentence is singular. That's why the verb of the sentence must be a singular. We need to use is here. Number 6. I have not seen a movie dash a fortnight. The sentence is about the present perfect tense, and in the present perfect tense we use either since for point of time or for to express period of time. So make sure a fortnight means 2 weeks time. Most of the students do not understand the meaning of fortnight. That's why they have some problems. So you need to make out the meaning of fortnight. It means 14 days time. That is called around 2 weeks time. And 2 weeks is a period. We need to use for here, but not since. We need to use for. Number 7. The meeting will take place between 3 p.m. - 6 p.m. And you also have got 4 options of this question: to, and, from, and during. Make sure between is followed by and but not to. And many students write here to. From is followed by 3 p.m. From 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. is right. But between 3 p.m. and 6 p.m. the answer will be and but not to. That's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I want you to like it, subscribe to it, and share it with others so that I can make more and more videos for you in the future. Thank you very much.